Oh, wait, what? Ah, there we go. Yeah, it is working. Say something so I can test the desktop audio. Oh shit, I'm watching
Suckadelic!
my own stream.
Nice.
Alright,
And you're gonna
desktop
hear
audio
yourself.
is working. In my, I'm watching my own thing in my tablet right now.
Mhm.
Alright, can I get the link?
Can I get the link?
Okay. What is that? What the frick are you singing? And I'm just gonna, for my test, I'm just gonna freaking play fucking Toho or something. Just to see how the latency is for the stream. Anyway, I got the URL, I'm gonna have to manually type it.
Nice. Wait, why? Can you not copy paste it?
Until I figure out how to do it in my computer, I just use my tablet to watch the stream and get the shit that way. And I can't exactly copy paste something from my tablet to my laptop.
Ah, well, too bad. What the hell is this? Vine gums, tangy.
Besides,
Little
I don't think I'll be streaming anymore anyways after this, so who really cares?
Maynard vine gums.
By the looks of things though, it appears streaming is more smoother, but
This is good.
than from my previous experience. So that's pretty funny. But we'll see about that once I start playing
You know,
Toho.
I haven't been doing my English.
Nice. Here's the stream I might ask you to join. Just to test for some stuff. If you're willing.
That's everything.
Oh god, that's so loud. I can't. I forgot how loud Toho is. Let me just lower that via volume mixer. There you go. That should be fine. Right. Would you mind like sending a chat or something
Sending a chat.
in the live
Where?
chat just to see if people can actually comment and
Where?
shit?
On the link that you send, Java and NetBeans. Right.
Huh. Alright, let me watch along.
Here you go. Send a message.
Testicle message. Okay. So, how does this stream look? Is there like any lag or something? I'm gonna be playing Toho real quick.
Obviously, there's lag. I
Yeah.
can hear you, but you're not talking.
I'm not talking. What do you mean? There's no audio?
There is audio. You know, I can hear you first before the stream talk.
Ah, right. Obviously. Obviously. So it's like the game lagging on over there.
No.
Damn, nice. Smooth buttery 30 FPS. Well, according to OBS, it is indeed a smooth 30 FPS. Nice.
Yeah, I'm just now hearing you say smooth battery FPS with fucking stream.
Well, I did set it to the lowest setting so my computer as well as the internet can handle it. You can leave now, I'm satisfied.
Nice. One watching. I wonder who that one is.
I gotta go set up the rest. I can keep the going with the stream. There's really no need to stop it.
I'm gonna go deaf for like 12 minutes.
Sure, sure. Doesn't really matter. Oh, what difficulty am I playing in? In spring, one sleeps asleep that knows no dawn. What does that even mean? And nobody says that. Who says that? No one sleeps during the spring, except for maybe you. Bloody white cock. Toryu is muted right now, right? He can't hear anything. Oh my god, why am I getting hit by the most obvious of bullets right now? It's not like I'm actually trying to get a 1cc right now or anything anyway. So does that mean streaming in Discord is faster than streaming with OBS? Really makes you think. Oh my god! Anyway, this is normal difficulty. I can recognize just by this bullet pattern. Alright, let me go check the stream on my tablet and see how it feels. Ah, I'm actually pretty smooth. But yeah, there's a whole ass 3-second delay, but that should be fine for me. Yeah, nice. And yeah, it's actually it's really smooth. I mean, Tori already said as much, but seeing it for myself, man, when I remember streaming, that wasn't the pause button. I remember streaming back then, a long time ago, using OBS. I tried streaming Osu, and I probably still can't stream Osu, but man, it was so laggy. I'm not sure what exactly changed here, but either way, I'm loving it. What else do I need to set up? I want to listen to Last Eternity. Gotta set up the music. So how about the desktop? I will need to be using this. Apart from the yellow border, I'm pretty sure this is mine. Nice. I'll keep streaming Toho for now, I guess. What else can I try checking? Maybe let me look at my notes. Sorry, you is muted, right? I don't want anyone to be hearing my talking out loud apart from the camera. Okay, he is deafened. Wonder what he's doing. Maybe he's getting it off. Thank goodness he didn't hear that. Since I am technically already recording, where can I see how many people are watching or something? Participants. Cool. I can see the individual participants using the chat thingy. This is really nice. I'm loving this. I still don't like the new look of OBS and how I need to just make it so fatter now just so that the display view isn't so horridly tiny. This is fine. Let me just go minimize some stuff. I can disable the preview for OBS now since that's taking resources. Resources that are very importante. If I minimize OBS, I minimize the chat as well, so it's of my best interest to keep that open. Oh, there we go. I can see how long I've been live. Over there, drop frames is 0 so far. That is just fantastic. I guess I'll just keep playing until it's time. Why not? I got nothing else I can really do. Or do I? Let me check my schedule and in the moment thing. Upload YouTube stuff. I'll do that tomorrow, I've decided. Play Genshin, that's obviously after. Watch some Precure and download new Precure. I've somehow honestly become really obsessed with that series as of late, and I just can't get enough of it now. It's perfect junk food. I was reminded of Gigak's video made once on how he justifies the fact that he watches shit anime now. And yeah, I can honestly relate to him right now. There's just way too many anime to watch, and like I've kind of just been lost as to what I will and will not enjoy. So the existence of junk food is, good. Yeah. So far, my schedule has been so horribly, laughably, not very well followed. Just this once, things are actually kind of going well. Well, I was supposed to stream from 19 o'clock to 21 o'clock, but now it's been 20 to 22 o'clock. Black. NetBeans. Video Genshin. Download. Stream prep. I am quite proud again. I was able to do a lot today. I made some blunders, but that's just life. It also doesn't help that Mum is quite inconsistent. Well, you can't expect perfection in following schedules with people. I know I certainly can't. Yeah. Trying to so rigidly adhere to such things is just detrimental anyway. You become too rigid. I really don't have any need for anything else. I've still got 15 minutes. You know, let me try beating up Yukari again. Where are my available characters? Oh, right, I can play all the difficulties in Extra and Phantasm with everyone because I use the cheat code to unlock everything. Do I start on the right? I think I start on the right. Oh. Right. I remember now. I hope I don't accidentally lose track of time. No. That was too slow. Okay, I need to remember how many times this happens. That is of utmost importance. Ah. Alright, I don't need to worry about grazing. Maybe I'm misremembering how to do the extra stage, the Phantasm stage is how to do the extra stage. No. I'll just wing it. Like I said, screw being rigid. Okay, maybe I won't wing it. Just slowly, patiently. There we go. Unlike Flandre, and I've played the extra stage of that game so many times now, but I doubt I'll be able to so easily clear the rest of the extra stages in the future. I'll record myself, I'll beat them, but then I probably won't be able to do it again with any consistency after. As promised, I have come at night. What the hell is this? Ah! No, too deep. Too deep. What's the word I'm looking for? Maybe I'll just do normal extra instead of Phantasm. I wanna fight Yukari! Ah, frick this, no, don't retry. I'm just gonna do a lunatic run. See how well I'll do. Lunatic's way more tolerable than Phantasm. Stage 1 is, at least. Extra stages are only as comparable to stages 4 or 5 of hard difficulty. Don't let some YouTube bitch make you believe that extra stages are harder than Lunatic. Extra is only half as long as the normal stages. And there's usually just one boss, and that boss has a fuck ton of dumb shit to throw at you. Gotcha. Wow, how does he do it? I only found out recently that that attack is actually aimed at you. Like, how stupid am I to not realize that sooner? Like, no fucking shit, duh. So it's this attack. Well, I already learned this a long time ago, because I watched Minagami. Ooh, a border. I still remember how the border system works, at least. Kind of a shitty mechanic, though, now that I understand how it works. Soho's no stranger to bullshit mechanics, though. Like Toho 12! You motherfucking F.O. Did pretty well there. I think I have time for one more stage. Dun, 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 dun. My eyes are getting kind of tired. I think I'm getting sleepy. That won't do. I haven't even done my Genshin yet. Shit, I got itchy. Gosh. Very stupid. That was really stupid of me. I blame my sleepiness. I'm getting a little brain dead. That's my excuse. I should really be keeping my eyes on the road. I don't have time for looking at the camera gags. Ah, dang it. I just bombed it. Too many bullets. I don't think this bullet pattern follows the golden ratio. Although if you look hard enough, you can find the golden ratio anywhere. That's just what humans do best, finding patterns even when they really shouldn't exist. What? That's supposed to always work. Minogame, you bastard, you lied to everyone. We've been quite possibly bamboozled. Okay, that one was just me being stupid. It really feels like Lunatic is something I'll never be able to conquer. Especially, every time I look at these bullet patterns and I try. Even if it's just 007, the game I have the most experience with, across all difficulties, Lunatic included. Even despite all that experience, I still really suck at this. Got a border. Try to keep it. Never mind. I lost track of the red bullets. Okay, just avoid the fast lane and stay in the slow lane. Easier said than done. Maybe lane switch if absolutely necessary. Eek, eek, eek. Stay in the lane, hell yeah. That last pattern is actually pretty easy. It's actually already timed. Alright, I sent the link to my classmates. It's just a matter of whether or not they actually want to follow along or not, which I doubt they will. May as well keep going. I don't want to start just yet. I know I'm holding it off. I swear, today's the day I'll start programming seriously again. I'd wager my soul in it. If I had one. Just keep calm. These bullets have no power over you. It's all in your head, never mind. 20 o'clock. You should hopefully get a border by the time this section finishes. This spell card. Maiden's Bunraku Lunatic difficulty. It's always the stupid lasers that get me somehow. I really wish I knew how the lasers work. I've wasted border. They could have gotten so much resources. Although I don't really want resources, I want this over with so I can... I'll stop as soon as I either run out of lives or get past stage 3. That's a promise. La 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 la. I've already read the story 9 million times. Oh. It's all about learning an algorithm to see bullets in a new light in this difficulty. I actually did really well there. Can it last forever? Ah! What's the point of even having that non-spell? I'm just gonna go directly to another spell immediately, after just shooting the spiral pattern that barely even matters. Avoid the clumps. Alice behaves during that spell card for the most part. When she doesn't, it sucks. Oh shit, I mistimed. That's embarrassing. This non-spell isn't even supposed to be difficult. Ah! Why? I'm so pathetic. Oh no! Ah! I was doing so well dodging the tight gaps, but then there was the largest gap in the world that killed me. That's what she said. Oh no, this one. Ooh, a border. Get rid of it. Whatever. Survivability is more important. I win, I win, I win, I win, I win! There's really no hope with this run anyway, so... I may as well save the record. Just kill me. There we go. Right, 5 minutes and no one joined. I think it's safe to say no one is interested in watching me program anything. It'll be just be oh lonesome me, as always. Alright, let's get this started. I'll have to deal with the yellow borders, but I'll be recording in a way so that I don't have to deal with the yellow borders next time, I suppose. Yeah, recording. I won't be streaming. No one's gonna watch anyway. Oh, never mind. Someone joined. Hello. Right, just in time too, because I just finished my thingy. Alright, I was gonna do my introduction. Right. Yo! Hello there! The stream has officially started. I'm Remix the Idiot. And, I'm gonna be trying to make a game. Using this thing. Apache. How do you even... Who really cares? Let's get the music. The music loud. This the usual volume anyway, I'm pretty sure. Welcome to the stream, Sado, whoever you are. I doubt you're my intended audience. Okay, this is actually pretty loud. Training complete, who gives a crap? Right. Well, I am only a pupil myself. Right, so I say I'll be making a game, but that's actually a bit misleading. I was going to use my drawing screen, but I've decided I'm gonna go with the good old yellow pad for my flowchart bullcrap or whatever the heck my teacher calls it. Okay, he is the intent. Oh, and Toryu's back as well. Nice. I just finished setting things up, and yeah, I'm gonna do stuff now. So, before I make a game, I will actually... It'll probably take like a week. Well, I say a week, but considering I'm only gonna be able to do this once a week, it'll most likely take a month. But... Let's get the important resources. I am recording my screen, right? Alright, there it is. There's my face as well. And there's the chat so everyone can see it. I don't think YouTube... You know what's really stupid, Toryu? Why the fuck... Why the frick?
Why?
Does YouTube not archive the stream? Or do they?
I do not know.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure if you finish the stream, you just post a video blog on your channel. Certain that's how it works. But I am not fully sure.
Yeah, me neither. Who knows? They might have changed it.
Anyways, so what are you doing?
I'm learning Java now. Right, so I'll be making a calculator first.
Is anyone watching your stream?
One person is.
Who is that?
Thanks for joining with... Oh, that's MS Teams. I have a non-disclosure agreement. I'm not supposed to reveal that.
Who's the guy watching the video?
He calls himself Lawrence. I think I remember there being a Lawrence in our class. I'm not very good at remembering names. So I'm very sorry, but I don't know who you are at all. Not one bit. One person watching my stream. But hey, it's more intimate this way. Anyway, what else was I going to open? Right.
I'm gonna leave you with your intimacy shit, okay?
Yeah, sure. Come on, intimacy. Intimate. The word intimate doesn't necessarily mean romantic.
I know.
Although it is typically associated with it. Yeah.
But just kidding.
Well, I can't help but just worry about...
Anyway, I'm just gonna kind of bother you, and you're gonna get distracted by me,
Nah, don't worry about it. I want you to bother me, otherwise I won't have the willpower to go through with this. So, first I'll be making a calculator. It'll hopefully only take a while, so a few sessions. So in case you don't know, this is a calculator. Every computer comes with it because that's what a computer does. It computes. so of course it'll have a calculator. Although according to my teacher, a calculator is not a computer. Wacky. But afterwards, I'll be trying to make a clone of Atari Breakout. Although, let me explain what Atari Breakout is, just for any viewers watching this and are actually interested. Probably just me. Atari Breakout is a game made for the Atari. People, you might be aware of it. Oh, right, I forgot. It's a Google game that you can play as well. So, freaking yeah, there we go. So this is Breakout. There's a ball, and then you got a thingy that you can move around. In the Google version, it's with the mouse. And then you got a ball, and then at the top of the screen are a bunch of bricks or whatever the heck they're supposed to be called. And your goal is to break them while making sure the ball never falls past the other side of the screen.
You mean Pong?
The more you break, the more. Pong is a multiplayer competitive version of Breakout, I'd say. Whereas Breakout is more of the solitaire, single-player version of it. You know Breakout, right? Tori?
Yeah. Usually it's called Brick Break.
Is it? I've always known it as Breakout.
I don't know.
It's a simple game, fun enough, and it's the perfect game. I recommend people to try learning if they wanna learn using a new language. But yeah, the reason why I'm making calculator first before Breakout is just because this is how I'm used to. This is just my learning process, I suppose you could say. Breakout is a game I've already made before in a different language, in a different environment. And calculators are typically what you make for like your first quiz in programming and stuff. And I do believe we'll be making a calculator in our classes someday, soon enough anyway. So I guess you could call this advanced studying, although not really. It's all oh my. I'm so sorry. I know I'm supposed to be programming, but as usual, I'm getting distracted and playing. But hold on, I've almost won. I didn't expect I'd actually do this good, do so well. Oh my god, I beat it. I'm the best. No, I'm not doing another level. I will not be tempted. I could probably play forever. What?
Stop getting distracted and just do the shit that you're supposed to do.
No thanks. Nice. NetBeans has a quick start tutorial itself. And there's Oracle. Good old trusted Oracle. And finally, there's W3 Schools. If you're a programmer, you should know this website. It's really important and really useful. It has documentation for literally everything. Every programming thing you could ever think of. So yeah, I'll be using that. Before I do any tutorials though, something I like to do is just mess around with the system. First thing I want to see if there's a dark mode for NetBeans. I can't live without a dark mode. Windows, help. There's an online documentation, that's good. May as well open that. Oh, of course it opens in Internet Explorer.
Why is there so much shit to do in Genshin, Rusty?
You're playing Genshin right now, yeah? Why did you mute and deafen a little while back, by the way?
I watched the Jin video on League, and yeah.
Jin?
It was 12 minutes. Yeah.
I think I've heard you mention him before, or was that a her? I don't know League of Legends.
It's a him, yeah. He's a serial murderer with 4 shots on his gun. Yeah.
Yeah. I remember. You showed me like a gif of him shooting a girl or something once.
What?
Was that him?
What do you mean?
Like like a weird, cool gun thing. Alright, looks like everything I need to know about Java should be here. So there is technically two things you always have to learn when you're learning how to program. The first is obviously enough the language itself that you'll be using. In this case, it's Java. Don't confuse Java with JavaScript, by the way. They're two completely different things. The way I remember it is JavaScript isn't the program isn't the language that was used to make Minecraft, whereas Java is the one. And Java, Minecraft Java Edition and all that crap. And then obviously there is the integrated development environment you're using as well that you gotta learn. So how do I make a new project? That's very important.
You don't.
Plugins, we won't be dealing with these. For
Are you
now,
sure?
I'm pretty sure, and probably for a really long time, because plugins are complicated, although they should be really useful. Interesting. I do have some experience, so I'm hoping that'll get me far, although I doubt it. Remember, I'm just a pupil here. In case you thought I would be a teacher teaching stuff, read the title. Well, actually, I titled this an archive of NetBeans and Java or something. I'm just learning here, and these videos are just supposed to document my growth as I learn. Profile attached to external process. What? Debug. That's debugger. There's nice ID log. So where's like the preferences? There really is no preferences. Learn my NetBeans and what's new. Not that that really matters. By the way, I'm using the latest version. I'm pretty sure you should always try using the latest version of any software you're using, especially for programming. You should always keep up to date, although a bit of a handy tip. New project, new file. New project, I guess. Ah, here we go. Alright, let's get ourselves a new project already. Enough dilly-dallying. I've been spending a lot of time just dilly-dallying. Java
There's still one guy watching.
Java front end. Is that one guy still watching? I don't know. Yes, according to my thingy, he is. Or are they a she? Do they prefer to be called in she? That's always important. That's important to some people.
They must be really bored to be watching you.
Indeed. Yeah, I believe my classmates right now are like fucking playing Call of Duty right now or something. Where can I name it? I want to name this a calculator. Oh, I gotta go to next first. Okay. Sometimes I'm just so stupid. I'm just that stupid. Alright, Java application. Yes, that should be fine.
What Call of Duty are they playing?
I don't know. And I don't really care. I'm not much of a fan of shooter games and stuff.
Except you kinda are, because you like shooting a bunch.
Nah, I like getting shot more. Ah, here we go. Maven project.
Spoken like a true masochist, Rusty.
Obviously, I meant, but yeah, fitting enough as well, because it is accurate. I like bullet hell games, where the focus is more on the enemies shooting you, not you shooting the enemies. Anyway, let's put this at my creations, project files. I don't have one for just programs, just animations, games, images, literature, music, and videos. I suppose it'll do here then. Alright. Noob calculator. That should be a good name. You can, I guess, counting, this is the 7th calculator I've ever programmed now. It certainly won't be the last. Version, group ID, artifact ID, package. Ah, nice. It already has built-in functions for working with groups, which is very important, obviously. No programmer works alone, unless you're named Remix the Idiot.
Which always works alone.
Yep. Are my eyes red? My eyes are kind of itchy right now.
How would I know? I'm not watching the stream. Go ask the viewer.
Don't worry. I think I'm fine. It's probably the light. I'm a vampire.
I'm a vampire, I'm dead.
Alright, so finish it. Close. I'll get a good tutorial first. I just really like messing around first before doing anything. Because that gives me some experience and then I can immediately know. Oh, it already has Hello World as the default. That's pretty funny. This is a bit, no, this is a familiar looking thingy. Pretty standard looking as far as I'm concerned so far. Again, no dark mode, that really sucks. This white screen will be the death of me. There has to be a dark mode, right? The Minecraft programmers most likely use NetBeans. They deal with this? Why? I don't understand. So have you tried out the new 4-star at least? What's her name?
Nope.
The lolly? Dory, I believe. Right, Dory.
Fighting Dory. I mean, I know that she's a Claymore user. That's about all I know.
She's a Claymore user, just like Sayu. Interesting.
Yeah, and she
I was
rides
kind
a
of
slime.
thinking she would be a bow user or something. I don't know why.
She rides a slime, Resty.
What? That's hilarious.
Anyways, fucking
Alright, here we go.
skip
Editor,
banner,
maybe
right?
miscellaneous. What?
This is an easy skip banner because I already have C6 Sinju and C6 Sucrose.
Maybe. That's your opinion.
So I have fucking guaranteed Resty. I don't want to pull for both. I don't want to pull for Kokomi or Ganya because I already have Ganya.
Yeah. Code templates and
And
code
Kokomi.
completion. Oh, interesting. You can edit
Kokomi
those.
just healer, right, Resty?
Yes.
Why would I go for Kokomi when I already got others that are better? Well, not really better.
Another freaking
What's Ganyu using?
hydro healer.
Oh, Ganyu is using your bow, Resty. Amos bow, right?
Oh, here we go. I can change the background color. Something grayish. Maybe black will do. Although I'll have to make the font white, otherwise I literally won't be able to see anything. I assume. Alright, let me just apply and see what happens.
Why is Barber using prototype Amber? You fucking idiot.
Okay, nope, I have no idea what the terminal means then.
Why? Nasty. Barber in the trial is using Maiden's Beloved and fucking prototype Amber.
Nice. Oh, sure, what the heck's going on?
I hate Genshin.
I haven't done anything yet, and I think I've already broken the system.
Nice.
Typical fashion.
Yeah, I know, I was gonna say, isn't that how it usually goes?
Yep, this is how it usually goes. That is just something you'll have to accept in the programming industry. Alright, so let's see here. Click system file. I believe this is for running the thingy. Right, so running it should just print out Hello World right in a frickin' thingy. The, what's it called? Where is it? The output
Hey, yo,
thingy.
Resty, you're gonna make some cool ass webhooks and bots in Discord, right?
That's the hope. Why is it taking so long to process printing Hello World?
Maybe
Excuse me?
Oh,
I think it's just actually starting to install the development toolkit. Since this is technically my first time running this.
Ah!
The compiler.
I'm guessing...
Blah.
I'm guessing Dory is Electro.
Yes, she is indeed Electro, I'm pretty sure.
That's why the fucking
It seems
event.
to be stuck at 50%.
That's why the event is now showing the Dendro,
Yes,
not
this
Dendro,
will be a
electro power.
series, Sado. Or Lawrence,
Mm.
whatever you want to be called. I obviously won't be able to make a calculator in just 2 hours.
Is Lawrence just typing in the chat?
Yes.
Nice.
Thanks for joining the chat. I did. I honestly was expecting no one would join me and I'd just be alone in this endeavor.
Yeah.
It helps to know. Okay, I usually just leave the computer alone whenever a program is being compiled. But like this is taking a while. I kind of want to do something. It's freaking stuck at 50%. Or maybe something's wrong. Maybe I really should. Maybe I should have just. Can I end it? Oh, it finished. There it is. Look at that. Hello World got printed. Nice.
But isn't that already the default?
Yes.
So you
Public
just
static
fucking
void
open the
main
shit,
string.
right?
Oh, But wait, isn't that JavaScript? How different exactly is Java from JavaScript? Because so far, this looks exactly like JavaScript during my time learning JavaScript. Let's just go to the documentations already. Getting help, learning trails, other resources. Hello world for the NetBeans ID. I'm just gonna start with the documentation for Java first, and then I'll go look up some tutorials on how to use Java. There's some nice videos. Maybe I will watch them, but I really just don't like watching videos. But this one's just 1 minute. I may as well. Java is a programming language. Java is used to develop mobile apps. Blah blah blah. Examples in each chapter. Hey, that's the exact same. That example is the exact same as the one right here. Funny. Click on the Run Example button to see how it works. Java exercises. Test yourself with exercises. That's kinda new. Insert the missing part of the code below to output Hello World. And how should I know? So system.out.println. Interesting. And it needs to be a capital. Ah man, I hate languages that uses caps and stuff further.
Well, Wesley, why is there so many events?
What do you mean, why is there so many events?
There's a new event again.
That should be correct.
We're gonna go join FaZe Clan, Resty. We're gonna do some FaZe trials.
Oh. Interesting. Oh, maybe I mistyped. Maybe I already somehow made a spelling error. I'm very good at doing that. Alright. Oh, this is different. I see. Well, whatever. I definitely won't be able to answer any of the exercises anyway. Let's just read up. What is Java? Popular programming language created in 1995. Owned by Oracle. 3 billion devices run on Java. Nice. Why use Java? Works on different platforms. The most popular programming language in the world. I honestly thought that was JavaScript. Again, they're named similarly, and they're also so similar in terms of usage and functionality as well. Easy to learn, simple to use. I'll be the judge of that. Open source and free. Secure, fast, and powerful. Aren't most programming languages free? Huge community. Yeah, I should find a forum for Java. That's another important resource you should learn right next to W3 schools. Java's close to C++ and C#. Makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Interesting.
So of course the Jitty within the lab.
Yeah, I think
it's
that
not a
library is
slide.
too bright. I need to find some sort of other position for it.
So Dory is a healer, Resty.
Have I already what?
Dory is a healer.
She's a healer? Cool.
Yeah, and an electro applier.
Nice. Well, I already have Shinobu. You
What?
already have
You already have her?
Shinobu. Cookie Shinobu. You know?
Ah,
Another electro healer. And she hurts
but
herself, but that's barely a problem.
I think Dory is gonna be better because she applies electro better. I think.
I don't know. The thingy Cookie does is also pretty good. Anyway,
And she
as
restores
I was
5
saying,
elemental
my
energy.
lights no longer work. The light I'm actually using right now is a freaking lampshade. It's nice and bright, although it's a little too nice and bright. If I could just place it higher so that my eyes aren't constantly dealing with it. This is terrible. I mean, I don't need the face cam. I
Yeah.
could just turn it off so I can just work in the dark like I like to do. Some PCs might have Java already installed. Mine certainly already had Java. Check if you have Java installed on a Windows PC. Search in the start bar for Java or type the following in command prompt. Oh, cool. Sure, let's test if I do have Java. I believe I am in the latest version of Java right now. Or type the following in command prompt. Backslash. I do believe my PC is programmed, Rusty.
What? Is that Lawrence?
Eh? Who? What happened? You hearing something?
No.
Okay, well, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Rusty is not recognized as an internal. Okay, whatever. Set up for Windows. I don't really need to worry. Let's start with the syntax, that's important.
Okay, never mind. I changed my mind on Dory.
What do you mean? What happened?
She's like. I think she's a battery.
A battery. Nice.
So whenever you do like reactions, her cooldown for her skill shortens itself, and then you can just spam it.
In Java, every application begins with a class name, and that class must match the file name. I see. Yep, public class noob calculator, just as I've named. That's why you don't use spaces when titling things. Let's create our first Java file called main.java, which can be done in any text editor like Notepad. The file should contain a hello world message which is written with the following code. There's the class. It's public. So are there private classes? I believe if I remember correctly, private classes are like parent strings or whatever. Not string. If the public class, I guess if I could describe it in a way my classmates would understand, the public class is the main computer, whereas the private class, or whatever it's called because I forgot, is the computer inside the computer. What did Miss call it again? I already forgot. I'm so good. I'm such a good student. Don't worry if you don't understand the code, we will discuss it later. Yep. And the output should read hello world. And there's our first ever program. Nice. Oh wow, you don't even need NetBeans? As long as you have a freaking as long as you save a notepad file as a .java file, you can just go to the command prompt directly, assuming the computer you're using actually supports and runs on Java, which mine does. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Nice.
And that is typically to be expected. The main reason you'd want to use an IDE is because it's way more convenient and has way more features than just, you know, using freaking Notepad. I guess so that I'm not boring or something.
You're not boring? What?
I should describe. And just like that, I'm back to 0 viewers actually.
Nice.
I couldn't say
Francis
goodbye
is
to him since I was
gone.
too busy. Oh, no wait, he's still actually here. I brought this for a reason. I should describe what we want to do. So obviously, we're making calculator. You know what it is? It's only a basic calculator that we'll be making. Where the heck is my? There it is. So the things that we need to achieve during this learning process, which I doubt I'll be able to do in just this one day. Why does it feel like it's been 2037 for forever? Let me write it out. So obviously first we need a window. So I'll just draw a nice little box here. Yeah, can the camera see it? I just need to put it closer. The bloom. The damn bloom. There we go. So that we need a box. The box obviously being a window.
I have a bus.
And inside that box, we need two thingies that for inputting. At the very least, just numbers. Why do we need two displays? Well, just bear with me here. Maybe three displays if you want to be fancy about it, but typically two displays are all you need. And then the window also... Well, honestly, those really are just the three things you need. We already have a keyboard. So yeah, we already technically have a bit of an outline for what we want to achieve. See? So there's our window, and then there's the two displays that'll probably also be stuff you can write numbers on. Oh right, how stupid of me. We need at the very least 4 buttons. Maybe we can input them to a shortcut key or something, but we won't be doing anything that fancy. These 4 buttons should represent the basic functions. You should be familiar with them. To anyone who isn't a 5-year-old, there I think it should be visible. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And basically, what we hope will happen is that put a number in both of the input thingies, and then when you click on add, it'll add them, and the result will show. You click on subtract, the subtract will show. And that's a basic calculator in a nutshell. Seems simple enough. It'll be all about using this it's about this that'll be the important thing. Seems there's a bit more. So obviously I believe what I need to try doing right now is make a class that has a window. That opens out a window. And how do we do that? Well, let's just keep reading the syntax tutorial for now, I guess. Although I guess I should before or not. What would be the fastest way? File handling. That'll be important. For now, just the basics. What's a break and continue? I'm not familiar with that function. You've already seen the break statement used in an earlier chapter. Oh, right. Break means to abruptly stop the program and stuff. There's a for loop and it'll break if I is equal to 4. Print out I. It'll print out 4 i's. Simple enough. So what the continue statement breaks one iteration in the loop if a specified condition occurs and continues with the next iteration in the loop. The example skips the value 4. Oh, interesting. So what the continue does is allow you to skip things. That's interesting. You can also use break and continue in while loops.
Right. Hindi.
Cool. I can understand this, but if anyone's watching me still right now, they absolutely are probably most indubitably lost, whereas I'm like, yes, I understand. I swear I'm not pretending. Stop the loop if I is 5. That should be a break. It is just break, right? It's not capital. There's already a semicolon. Submit. Nice. Even is the point of setting this as setting the for loop to repeat until when it's less than 10. If you're just gonna break it when it becomes 5. It explains the job well enough. It explains the function well enough.
Nice.
Alright, so let's watch this 1 minute introduction, I suppose.
The table.
This appears to be the documents, the references that'll be the most useful. Again.
Here we are in NetBeans. Let's create a main class, Java with Maven, a Java application. We call it food bar, or whatever you like. Here is our project. We add a new class, hello world. Just remove this a little bit so it's more visible. I type name, tab,
really old version of
SUT, hello world. And now I run the application, main class is found, and what we see at the end of the process is our message from Maven, and that message is hello world. How to get started with NetBeans. Setting up a project, creating a Java source file, creating a public static void main, and then system out print line. And now we have hello world printed out from Maven.
Interesting.
Alright, so what's up? Interesting, what?
I can make the classes right here. And I can keep track of how they... I see, so that's the whole point of this.
Indeed, that's the whole point.
So what else can we do here?
I do not know.
Alright, this is the main class, obviously. So I need to right-click that one. Build, clean build, build with dependencies. Yeah. I'll find a different location for this again, because I just can't handle it.
Can handle what?
So, I guess you guys should just say goodbye to my face now.
Goodbye.
I won't be able to
He
show my
rests in
flowcharts. How very sad.
Indeed, it's very
I
sad.
terribly drawn flowcharts. I typically just draw out visualizations for flowcharts rather than actually writing them down and stuff. And typically I don't go for any further than that. The rest I kinda just bash my head into a wall. This is going great so far, let me tell ya.
Sure, is it really going well?
And considering this is actually technically my first IDE that I'm trying to learn seriously. I'm pretty sure in the future I'm still just gonna be using Game Maker language or whatever game development program I use, but it will be very useful for me to learn how to make programs other than games using programs other than game creating programs.
Right.
Hello everyone, in this video I will show
I don't want to watch videos, man.
Well, too bad. You're kind of gonna be forced to watch videos, man. Chicken pastrami. Eat the.
Let's try the official thingy, I suppose. Setting up the project, I already did that. Figure, click next. Creating a Java source file. Right-click the package name and choose new Java class. Name and
The
location.
Javalanche.
This isn't really all that helpful because when I made this freaking file, it already did all of this. So
Nice.
this is honestly not all that helpful. Alright, I think I need a bit more of a specific tutorial or something, I suppose. And just these quick start thingies. Because it's clear if I want more, I need a different approach to how I'll learn this and how I'll research. Yeah. It's all just telling me how to make the hello world, and unfortunately I can't really learn that. And now I can change the hello world.
Into what?
Subscribe to Remix the Idiot.
No, don't do that. Don't subscribe to that guy. He's the worst.
There. Yeah, please don't. And then let's run it. And there you go. Subscribe to Remix the Idiot.
But why? That's like shameless promotion, Rusty.
Yeah, it's my video. Come on, that's what every YouTuber does. What do they always do at the end of their videos, right? They always tell you to, that's it for this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and all that stupid bullshit.
and then they say like, subscribing costs nothing, and if you want to get rid of the subscription, you can just always undo it.
Indeed. Alright, how's this? I could probably search up a tutorial. Or I could search NetBeans calculator how to, but that's too easy. So what I want to
Easy.
learn to do first, let's make a window using NetBeans.
A window.
Window create. And hopefully designing a swing GUI in NetBeans. Introduction to GUI building. Yeah, that seems about right. This tutorial needs a review. Okay.
The tutorial.
Well, I obviously can't help with that. This tutorial guides you through the process of creating a graphical user interface or for an application called Contact Editor using the NetBeans IDE GUI Builder.
It's kindness.
Oh god, why are IDEs so confusing? Okay, you know what? Maybe W3 School will be a faster way of doing this. Outputs, comments, single line comments, that should be all I need to remember for now. Ooh, defining variables should be important as well. Type variable name equal value. You must specify the type and design of the value. Alright, so we got strings, integers, floats, characters, and booleans. So that's the pretty standard, and this is how we write them. Why is string specifically a capital S? Black. Oh hey, a Billie Eilish song. Declaring variables. Printing the variables. The printn method is often used to display. To combine both text and the variable, use the plus character. You can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. Interesting. For numeric values, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. Notice that we use int variables here. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't get too ambitious. Slow and steady. I tend to get really impatient whenever I try learning something new, especially something like this. Already got the system.print thing. So let's just focus on using that before we try making a window and calculators and stuff. Alright, so let's just make a simple operation. It should be fine to use this static void, right?
Static void. Sounds like a fucking move a character would do in an anime.
I know, right? This language is kind of
Static
funny.
void.
Alright, so we want a numerical thing. No displaying variables, just show me the variables. Alright, I'll close all of these for now. Just focus on W3 schools. Alright, int is standard enough. Alright, so int a equal to,
Go to the spot,
let's go
strike
with
a pose.
5. Don't forget the semicolon. Let's go for another one. Int b is equal to 5. Once you've already declared a variable, any other mention of it further below, it will not create it, but rather just reference it from there henceforth. That should be the standard. Alright, so I'll make a 5 and I'll make this a 7. So why not? Those numbers are cool. Alright, so printing method system.out.println. Alright. I see. So this should return 12 if I type it as A plus B. Is the space gonna be a problem? I don't think so. What if I don't put a space? Would that be the problem?
Would it be a problem?
Alright, well, let's just test it and see. And there you go. It returned a 12. Alright, so if I change this from a plus sign to a multiplication sign, it should instead return what's 5 multiplied by 7? 35 or something?
35.
Yeah,
35.
there you go. Cool. I'm not gonna bother with subtraction and division since that'll return a negative value as well as a irrational number respectively. Not irrational, necessarily. Is the proper term for it? I see. Learning is me. Me is learning. Numeric values, the plus character works. I'm getting kind of sleepy. I think I'll end this early. Just 1 hour instead of 2 hours. Today was way too busy for me since I wanted to get all the school-related stuff I wanted to do out of the way, and I really wanted to start programming as soon as possible. However, I'm way too tired. And I'm still gonna be busy tomorrow.
Today, Rusty?
Not busy with work, huh?
It's Thursday today, right?
No, it's a Friday.
Yeah.
My school days are Mondays through Thursdays.
So what is yesterday?
If today is a Friday, then what do you think yesterday was? It's a Thursday.
It's a Wednesday.
Sure, King Crimson happened, I suppose.
Nice.
I guess it's kind of important that I recorded myself being a bit too... Wait, how did this happen? Why did it go to my gameplay rather than my desktop? How long has it been like that? Just so you know, here we go. I defined some variables and made a freaking thingy with it. It's far from being a functional calculator, but it's a start. Declare multiple variables. To declare more than one variable of the same type, you can use a comma-separated list.
Comma.
Ooh! That's pretty cool. Let me do that then. Alright, so rather than writing it out as that, I can write it like this instead. Comma b equals 3. Is that correct?
Nice.
And I can do that. Should return 15. Yeah. That's pretty neat. I have no idea how and when I define a variable individually or using commas like that. But hey, it's a thing. One value to multiple variables. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Int x, y, z. X equals to y, which is equal to z, which is equal to 50. What? That is weird. Why would you want to do that? I guess I can think of many
you're
reasons.
a programmer.
When making a video game, where it is more convenient to just, like, yeah, this example right here is actually already perfect. If you want to start if you're starting like a game, and you want to put a character in a 3D game, you can just write down int x, y, z, which are most likely the character's coordinates as 0. In other words, the start of the map and stuff, you know? Something like that. Fill in the missing parts to create 3 variables of the same type using a comma-separated list. This is a math problem, isn't it? So x is equal to 5. We need to put in int first. Why not? Exercises are fun. Oh no, it was that simple. I thought there was like a print that would test some numbers, but no, it's just asking me to put in commas. Not good enough. Alright, identifiers. What the heck is that? All Java variables must be identified with unique names. These unique names are called identifiers. Oh, okay. They're already called a variable. Why do you need a separate whatever? Identifiers can be short names like x and y, or more descriptive like age or sum or the total volume or remix the idiot's big fat nards. You know. It is recommended to use descriptive names in order to create understandable and maintainable code. Minutes per hour. Here's how you write it, but not like this. Okay, but not so easy to understand what the fuck M is. And you could write it as MPH. People should still understand it. Yeah, minutes per hour would be the best. The general rules for naming variables are numbers. Names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Names should start with a lowercase letter, and it cannot contain white space. Names can also begin with dollar sign and underscore, but we will not use it in this tutorial. Names are case sensitive. My_var and the my_var are completely different variables. Reserved words like Java keywords such as int or boolean cannot be used as names. Interesting. Again, nothing too special though, so far. But it has technically been a really long time since I last programmed, so it's really important for me to relearn all these stuff. This ain't Game Maker Studio anyways. Oh, I said I would stop. Yeah, I think I will stop right here.
You're getting way too into it, Rusty.
I mean, that's supposed to be a good thing, but my eyes are getting kind of tired, and God forbid I go through an entire day without playing Genshin, so I'm playing Genshin now.
God forbid.
That's gonna be it for the stream.
Yeah, go stream Genshin now.
No thanks. You will be able to reconnect your stream. You will not be able to reconnect. Your stream will stop.